Hi there. Have you ever felt anxious or unsure in front of a camera? Definitely I have. Welcome to my Camera Confidence Project Day 42. In this channel, I'm sharing my progress and my tips so you guys and I can learn the progress and find the way how to be more confident in front of a camera. This journey started for 42 days ago, and now I can already inform you that I'm much better than before. But still, I'm stuck. I'm struggling with the technical part, but not the functional part. As the main goal for this project is actually to gain camera confidence, and I have achieved this goal, but the secondary goal was to achieve the technical know-how to be able to make content or make a channel so it looks more professional than what I used to have. I think the main challenge or the main challenge I will say is the sound. Still, I'm not able to sound like, or I can say I'm not there where I wanted to be. I have both my good equipment. It means that I have both the pro version of Rode wireless mics. I'm using Insta360 X3 to doing my recording, and I have both one mount which I can directly may have on my screen. So it means that on the technical part, some aspects are going very well, and that's one aspect which is I'm struggling with is actually the sound. I have tried different ways, different. I have listened to a lot. I have spoken to some people, but still, I think it is. I do not have the competence yet to be able to listen and then decide what I have to do to become better. In my home office, where I'm usually sitting and doing my regular recording, in that sound it becomes a bit boxy sound. I haven't been able to actually improve that as my liking. And when I'm doing in my car and when I hear myself speaking, I'm not satisfied that this is the good voice to send out into the YouTube world. So many times I'm a bit struggling, and something in me also says that maybe this is how you sound and you shall not be any worry about that. I think this is kind of maybe a perception of myself. I have learned one part in I learned I heard a person saying that it is a struggle to start listening to yourself as other people listen to you. And the main reason is that when you speak, you hear your sound differently because your sound waves goes out from your mouth and come back to your ears. But when other people hear you, they are hearing the sound directly from you. That's the one difference. And the other part is that when you're speaking, you also have some vibrance in the voice, not the air which are going through your lungs and vibrate in your stomach. It makes a sound which the other person are not able to listen. And obviously the reason is that this is your own system, but the other people are only listening to your sound waves which are coming out. And I understand that, but still I haven't been familiar with that. I'm not able to improve my sound as I do. That is the technical part. And one other aspect or point I want to make to you guys is that you are able to change your voice, learn to speak differently, and that will change your voice. So in improving your quality of sound, you can actually improve your how you sound also. I think this is the main improvement method or part which is actually easiest also. We can buy best equipment, we can have the best competence to correct your voice, edit your voice. I think the most impact is actually you can sound better. Actually just sound better. Speak slowly. In that part I am getting a bit better since as my camera confidence is increasing. I can see in the lens, and now and I will not get any stiffness in my face. And one other aspect I'm learning is actually that by doing it over and over again, you notice some small possibilities of improvement. Before starting with it, I didn't know about S-ing. It means that all the sounds, popping sounds for a mic. And when I speak now, I actually understand that maybe some voice are a bit sticky coming out from my mouth. And I also have noticed that hydration plays a part. If you are dry in your what's called your throat, if you are dry in your throat, you will sound a bit lightly sticky noise. And if you have drinking and hydrated, then your sound will be a bit more vibrant, more deep, a loving voice. Many times people call it chocolate voice.